With an ever-expanding global economy and worldwide standards of living progressing unabated, the construction industry is booming. With this boom, construction companies need large volumes of construction materials, especially AAC concrete. This stuff is very durable and easy to work with. Sankon Building Materials Technology Company Limited is a professional manufacturer of complete AAC concrete production equipment and production lines located in Jiangsu, Jiangsu province. We have established a professional, experienced research and development team. Over several years of developing new products and production techniques, Sankon has obtained more than 20 patents, establishing our company as the leader in the industry. The company has been actively developing the international markets, with a large quantity of products exported to developing countries such as Indonesia, Cambodia, Thailand, Iran, etc. We have established good business relationships with local merchants, and our products have been well received. Concurrently, Sankon provides logical, comprehensive after-sales service for customers to easily deal with a full range of equipment installation and debugging any issues which may arise. We provide these value-added services because customers trust us, and that is a very valuable commodity to Sankon. Sankon's large production base, spanning over 25,000 square meters, independently controls all production links from raw materials, processing, finished products, and debugging. The annual production capacity of AAC brick, AAC panel production equipment is more than 9,000 tons. The company has classified management of parts and semi-finished products. Every step from raw materials to finished products will be strictly tested to ensure consistent quality. Sankon has invested in several units of large finishing equipment to ensure production precision and stability. The large bending machine ensures the flatness and service life of the side plate. The precision machining of the numerical control lathe provides unified tolerance of parts. The 3x8mm CNC gantry milling drilling machine completes faster milling machining with accuracy up to 0.01 millimeters. At the same time, skilled workers with years of assembly experience will effectively complete the assembly, inspection, and adjustment of the entire machine according to the production drawings. In addition, the company utilizes professional personnel to make and debug the hydraulic station, providing lubrication and power for the entire product line. Our in-house developed electronic control cabinet will be used with the AAC block panel line to form an automated system. Sankon's paint workshop uses a secondary paint process to ensure the firmness of the paint and the overall beauty of the equipment. The wheel loader will shovel sand and other auxiliary materials into their hoppers and transfer the sand to the wet grinding ball mill. After the ball milling, the slurry is mixed and transported to the slurry tank for storage. In addition, the lump lime, which first completes crushing by the jaw crusher, then transports to the dry grinding ball mill for grinding into powder. The cement is pumped into the tank for storage. The entire raw material preparation and transportation process is outfitted with a perfect dust removal equipment system to ensure that the environment is free from pollution. At the beginning stage of production, the prepared slurry, lime, and cement are sent to their scales for measurement. Aluminum powder is also measured after being made into an aluminum powder suspension. Next, all raw materials are sent to the pouring and mixing machine for high-speed mixing and agitation. Then the mixed slurry is poured into the mold cavity. The entire measurement, mixing, and pouring process is automatically controlled by the PLC control system. The molds are put into the pre-curing room for constant temperature pre-curing. When the pre-cured cake in the mold reaches the cutting strength as per requirement, it is transported to the mold handling crane. The crane lifts the mold and tilts it up to 90 degrees before demolding. After demolding, the mold will be cleaned, then returned to the track, waiting for the next round of pouring. Meanwhile, the cured cake is placed on the cutting machine for side trimming and horizontal cutting according to the predetermined width. After the horizontal cutting is completed, vertical cutting is then completed. The entire cutting time is controlled within 4 minutes and 30 seconds. After cutting, the waste of the cured cake is removed. Then the cake will be transported to the curing car for pre-grouping by the crane. After grouping, the semi-finished bricks are put into the autoclave for high temperature and high pressure curing for 10 to 12 hours. The cake, after autoclave curing, is transported to the separator. The separator, produced by our company, can separate bricks with minimal thickness of 50 millimeters. The finished products after separator are classified and transported by the crane, which are then sent to the packaging machine and finally sent to the finished product storage yard by forklift truck.